Are you trying to decide between Adobe Portfolio and ArtStation? You're not alone. Both platforms help artists showcase their work, but they have some key differences. Let's start with what both tools do. They allow creators to build online portfolios to display their art. This is great for artists, photographers, and designers who want to share their talent with the world. First, let's look at Adobe Portfolio. This tool is part of the Adobe Creative Cloud. It's user friendly and lets you create a beautiful website quickly. You can customize your layout and design easily, plus, it integrates well with other Adobe apps, making it a solid choice for existing Adobe users. Now, let's talk about ArtStation. This platform is specifically made for artists in the game and film industries. It's not just a portfolio site, it's also a community. Artists can share their work, get feedback, and even find job opportunities. It has a vibrant environment that connects creators with potential clients. So, what are the main differences? Adobe Portfolio focuses on creating a personal website, while ArtStation is more of a social platform. If you want a standalone site, Adobe Portfolio is great. If you want to engage with a community, ArtStation is the way to go. In terms of features, Adobe Portfolio offers a lot of customization options and templates. ArtStation provides tools for sharing and networking along with job listings. Both have mobile friendly designs, but their focus is different. When it comes to pricing, Adobe Portfolio usually comes with a Creative Cloud subscription. ArtStation offers a free version, but you can pay for extra features. So, which one should you choose? If you want a professional website and already use Adobe products, go for Adobe Portfolio. If you want to connect with other artists and showcase your work in a community, ArtStation is the better choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more comparisons like this one.